St. James vendor became the first murder victim in the parish for 2025. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. James Police recorded its first murder of the year after a vendor was gunned down by unknown assailants in the Montego Bay Transport Center on Friday evening. The deceased was identified as 46-year-old Bruce Lee of Harlock District, St. James. Reports are that at around 8:30 p.m., Lee was standing in the transportation center when he was pounced upon by a lone gunman traveling on foot, who opened gunfire, hitting him all over his body. The police were alerted and Lee was transported to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The Barnett Street Police are investigating. The St. James Police Division recorded 33.5% reduction in murders last year, with 64 fewer murders compared to the corresponding period in 2023. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.